relationships. So here's a triangle. It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's made up of this triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is actually made up of 1, 2, 3 groups of 6, 3 sixes of 18, 19, 3 sixes of 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, triangle, triangle, and these are bigger triangles. Yeah, so they're made up of smaller triangles. These are the same. We can make different shapes. This is a diamond. Okay. Diamond shape. So by playing around with these, you can figure out different ways to make shapes and their equivalent. Yeah, so let's see if we can make. I'm just playing around now. Here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I can find the same one here. Okay. 6 and 6 are 12. Let's make another diamond. Here we go. Diamond. Here we go. Or it could be a parallelogram. That could also work. And if we put them together like that, we make a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And take this away. One, two, 2 fours are 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 25. So this also is handy. This activity is also handy for knowing odd and even, understanding which numbers are odd and which numbers are even.